Good morning to everyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. May the peace, mercy, and blessing of Allah be upon you. So far, I have started models. In that, I have completed can, could. Okay. Now, today, uses of shall and should. Should is the past tense of shall. Okay. So, should is the past tense. First of all, let me explain you main points of shall and should. Then I will give in detail. Shall, where we are going to use shall for offer, and shall is also used to make suggestions. For example, shall I open the window, to make suggestion. And obligation means what? Compulsory. Okay, so obligation, other meaning is compulsory, that what we should do, what is our obligation? You shall obey the rules. First example. Second example, student shall not enter here. Students shall not enter here. And for suggestion, you can use example, shall we dance? Shall I go now? Okay, now next main points of should. Should to ask for an opinion. So we use should to ask for an opinion, to give an opinion. Okay, for example, you can see here, and also should is used to make suggestion. Okay, example, should we tell him about our idea? Second example, what should we do now? Third example, you should call the police. You should call the police. Next example, she should see a doctor. Now, should is also used in questions to express anger after the question words why and how. Example, remember this point once again. It is also used, should is also used in questions to express anger after the question words why and how. Example, why should I do that? Second example, how should I know? Shall is used with first person. It shows pure future. What it shows? It shows pure future. Example, I shall be in my class at this time tomorrow. First person, shall, pure future. Example, I shall be in my class at this time tomorrow. Next, for second and third person, first point is promise. Okay, for second and third person, first promise. Example, you shall get a prize. You shall get a prize. For command, you shall not come to my house. Command. For threat, you shall be punished for your misconduct. And should, uses of should for obligation. Obligation means what? Compulsory, that what we have to do. Example, we should serve our parents. We should take care of our parents. Okay, next, for advice, you should take milk, avoid coffee. Okay, so these are the points for uses of shall and should. Uses of will and would. Would is the past tense of will. So will with first person shows wish or request, determination, willingness and threat. Wish, I will go home now. Request, will you please lend me your bike? It is request. You can give any example by using will for request, for wish. Then determination. What you are going to do? What's your determination? I will find out the truth. Further, you can give other example for determination. Willingness. I will lend you my pen. Threat. Threat means what? Warning. Threat. I will surely punish him. Now, would. Would is the past tense of will. Would is used for polite request. For example, would you lend me your pen? And would is also used for inquiry about the wish of the person. Suppose if a relative come to your house, what you will do? You will inquiry about the wish of that person. Example, would you like to have a cup of tea. Would you like to have a cup of tea? Remember, what is the past tense of will? Now, let me give some example from your grammar book. So, once again, will and shall. Will and shall is used for promise. Example, we will join you for dinner. It is a promise. We will join you for dinner, promise. Next, you shall be provided with all the modern facilities in this apartment. Assurance. What I am giving? I am giving assurance. Okay. Next example for shall, should. For should, we use should to make suggestion or to give advice. Already I given roughly where we use should to give suggestion or to give advice. Should is not as strong as must or have to. So you see the example, you should exercise every day. It is the right advice for you. Is it or not? So these are few example for will, shall, should. Okay, so shall, past, should is the past tense of shall, would is the past tense of will.